Hey there, Robert Moody with Brendan Bailey here at the Dallas Yacht Center on Lake Louisville. And just getting ready for the summer. It's going to heat up here pretty quick.
Yeah,
And I think everybody's going to be looking for maybe some place to relax and cool, some bigger boats with air conditioning on it. Right now, inventory, we've had a really good year so far, and
sure.
we've sold a lot. And just want to let everybody know we have a lot of boats available through all of our locations through MarineMax. And we can help you find something. Brendan, what do you
Yeah,
think about?
we had a beautiful weekend last weekend for Cinco de Mayo. Sun was out, so a lot of people were here at Pier 121 going to their boats, asking questions. Where's all the boats? Where's all the boats? Where's all the boats? Well, we've got not a whole lot here on the dock. We have this beautiful 500 Fly, one of the hottest boats in North America. But one of the great things about, like you said, the dealer network of over 70 dealerships across the North America is that we have a ton of inventory. I bet we have 8 or 9 of these in stock. I bet we have, I bet we have 100 sport yachts and yachts across the country, right?
Right.
Across all of our our portfolio. So, although it may not be sitting here on the dock, we had the ability tomorrow to be standing on the back of a 560 Sky or a 550 Fly or an Azimuth 55 Fly. So just because it's not here, we want to make sure people know, hey, let's go look at something. One of the cool things about, and Robert, you've gotten to experience this quite a few times, every one of our stores is located in paradise. It's located on the water, right, where we all want to be.
Right.
So it's almost like a vacation. Let's jump on a plane. Let's go somewhere. We'll get it all set up. We'll tell you when to be there, and we'll have the boats ready, and let's go check out some boats.
Yep, pretty cool trip. Me and my customers and yours too have a lot of fun on it.
Yep.
Kind of narrow down which boat they like, and we go there and we do the sea trial. So it's in Baltimore or it's in Savannah or Florida or any cool place. But let's find the right boat for you. It doesn't have to be here. It could be
Yeah.
anywhere. We'll go to it. If you like the boat,
Yeah.
make a deal. We'll get it back to North Texas for you.
Yeah, some of our stores, like our specialized yacht centers, like you think about the Pompano Fort Lauderdale store, and they've got everything there. Almost the whole range of Azimuth is sitting there, and then right next door to it is the Sea Ray Pompano store, or the Galleon Pompano store, where they have all the galleons or a lot of the galleons sitting there. So we've got stores where you can step aboard multiple models within each brand mix, and we'd love to let you experience that with us. Give us a shout, call Robert or I. We'd love to get you down there. If you want to walk through some boats here in the office, we have the ability to take you through a virtual walkthrough with it as well. Kind of give you an idea of what they're looking at, and we'd love to get you on some boats. So give us a call at 469-293-9095, or both of us have cell phones, and most of you know that number. If not, it's at the bottom of this email that you just got in. Can't wait to hear from you. Thanks, guys.
Come see us.